You've been lied to. They told you that if you didn't start investing in your 20s, you'd miss your shot. That if you're not financially free by 30, you're already behind. But that's complete nonsense, because the truth is, the people who build real lasting wealth, they're often the ones who start later, but start smarter. If you're in your 30s, 40s, even your 50s, this might be the best time of your life to build wealth. Why? Because you've got something younger people don't: clarity, experience, and focus. And in this video, I'll show you 19 real-world assets that can flip your financial story upside down. Assets that work even if you think you're late to the game. Let's begin. Asset 1. Dividend-paying stocks. Let's start with one of the simplest yet most underrated wealth builders: dividend-paying stocks. These are companies that literally pay you cash just for holding their shares. Think of giants like Johnson & Johnson or Coca-Cola. Every 3 months, they reward shareholders with real money. It's not about gambling or timing the market, it's about owning a piece of something valuable and letting it pay you back over and over again. Even if you start investing in your 40s, these dividends can become a steady stream of income. And when you reinvest them, you tap into the power of compounding, the quiet force that builds wealth in the background. It's not flashy, it's not fast, but it's the kind of wealth that stays. Asset 2. Real estate rentals. Now let's talk real estate, the timeless wealth builder. You don't have to be a millionaire to start. Imagine buying a small duplex at 45. You live in one unit, rent the other, and let your tenants pay most of your mortgage. That's how wealth begins. Not with luck, but with leverage. Over time, you're building equity while the property appreciates. Even better, rental income can cover your bills or even act as your retirement paycheck. You don't have to swing hammers or chase tenants. Property managers exist for that. You just need patience and the understanding that a real estate done right quietly builds your freedom with every passing year. Asset 3. Index funds. If picking individual stocks sounds stressful, here's your best friend: index funds. Think of an index fund like a basket of the top companies in America: Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, all in one place. Instead of betting on one, you own them all. For busy professionals or late starters, index funds are the ultimate autopilot investment. Set it. Forget it. Let the market and time do the heavy lifting. And don't think you need decades. Even 10 to 15 consistent years of investing can completely transform your financial future. It's slow, steady, and shockingly powerful. Because wealth isn't about speed, it's about direction. Asset 4. High-value skills. Now here's something that doesn't require money to start: skills. High-value skills are the real currency of today's world. Copywriting, sales, digital marketing, public speaking, coding, skills that make you valuable in any market. If you're in your 40s and think, "I'm too old to learn something new," stop. This is the golden age of skill building. You can learn from your phone, your laptop, anywhere. And once you master a high-value skill, you'll never have to rely on one job, one boss, or one paycheck again. A new skill isn't just knowledge, it's leverage. It's like upgrading your personal software to print money. Asset 5. Online businesses. We're living in the most exciting time in history to build wealth online. You can create an ebook, a YouTube channel, an online course, or a digital store, all from your laptop. And once it's built, it works for you, even while you sleep. Imagine launching a course at 38 and still earning from it a decade later. That's the power of the internet. It rewards creativity, not age. Online businesses scale fast, cost little to start, and reach customers all over the world. This isn't fantasy, it's the modern way to build freedom. You just have to start. Asset 6. Intellectual property. Intellectual property. Fancy term, simple idea. It's anything you create once that keeps paying you back. Books, songs, designs, templates, apps, these are digital assets that live forever. Write an ebook, design a useful spreadsheet, or code a small app. If it solves a problem, it can make money for years. The beauty of this? You build it once, and it keeps working. No boss, no schedule, just your idea earning for you again and again. Asset 7. Bonds and fixed income investments. Now let's balance the portfolio with stability. Bonds and fixed income investments. Bonds are like becoming the bank. You lend money to a government or company, and they pay you back with interest. While stocks can swing wildly, bonds keep your money grounded. They may not make you rich overnight, but they protect your wealth and generate reliable income, especially useful if you are starting late and can't afford big losses. Think of bonds as your financial shock absorbers: steady, predictable, and essential. Asset 8. REITs. Real estate investment. Trust. Want real estate income without becoming a landlord? REITs are your shortcut. A REIT owns income-generating properties, apartments, offices, malls, and pays investors dividends from rent profits. You get exposure to real estate's upside without managing tenants or maintenance. And because REITs are required by law to share most of their profits, you get paid just for owning shares. It's real estate investing minus the headaches. Asset 9. Small businesses. Owning a small business is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth. It doesn't have to be huge. A coffee shop, a car wash, a local service. Businesses generate income, tax advantages, and eventually something you can sell. Unlike stocks, you control the outcome. You can improve marketing, add services, and directly grow profits. It's effort, yes, but it's also empowerment. Because every hour you spend improving your business is an hour spent building your freedom, not someone else's. Asset 10. Precious metals, gold and silver. Old school, but timeless. They're not for getting rich fast, they're for staying rich when markets crash. When inflation rises and the dollar weakens, precious metals tend to hold or increase in value. Having even a small portion of your wealth in gold or silver acts like a seatbelt. It won't speed you up, but it will keep you safe during turbulence. In uncertain times, safety is an asset in itself. Asset 11. Peer-to-peer lending. Welcome to the digital age of lending. Peer-to-peer lending lets you act like the bank, funding small loans to individuals or businesses through online platforms. In return, you earn interest, often far more than a regular savings account. Yes, there's risk, but spreading your investments across many borrowers reduces it. The result? Consistent monthly cash flow that's short-term and flexible. It's modern banking powered by people, not corporations. Asset 12. Retirement accounts. 401k, IRA, Roth IRA, the most boring asset on paper, but one of the smartest in practice. Retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs are tax-advantaged vehicles designed to supercharge compounding. In the US, these accounts let your money grow tax-free or tax-deferred for decades. And if you're 50 or older, you can make catch-up contributions to accelerate your growth. Think of it as time travel for your money. What you invest today multiplies quietly until you need it. It's the most underrated wealth hack that millions overlook. Asset 13. Annuities. Annuities get a bad reputation, but when used correctly, they're a powerful retirement tool. You invest a sum with an insurance company, and in exchange, they guarantee income for life. It's like creating your own personal pension. For people starting late, that guaranteed income can replace uncertainty with peace of mind. Yes, research is key. Some annuities have high fees, but the right one can ensure you never outlive your money. Asset 14. Cash flowing side hustles. Not every asset needs Wall Street. Some start in your garage. A side hustle that makes consistent income, like flipping furniture, selling digital art, or running an Etsy store, can grow into a serious financial engine. At first, it might be small, but reinvest your profits, improve your process, and scale. Soon, that weekend project becomes an asset, something that generates money whether you show up or not. Side hustles aren't side distractions, they're side doors to freedom. Asset 15. Health and fitness. Now let's get real. Your body is the ultimate wealth machine. If your health breaks down, so does everything else. Good health means more energy to build, work, and enjoy your wealth. Exercise, proper nutrition, and rest, they compound just like money does. Think of your health as a high-performance engine. The better you maintain it, the farther you go. Because wealth without health is just a number you can't enjoy. Asset 16. Collectibles and alternative assets. Not all investments are traditional. Luxury watches, classic cars, art, trading cards, these can appreciate massively over time if chosen wisely. The key is knowledge. You don't guess. You study. A rare Rolex or vintage comic book might seem like a hobby, but to the informed, it's an appreciating asset. These are passion-based investments, fun, tangible, and potentially profitable. Add them as a small slice of your portfolio, just enough to make wealth building exciting. Asset 17. Networking and relationships. You've heard the phrase, your network is your net worth. It's true. One connection can change everything. A business deal, a job offer, a new partnership. Building genuine relationships pays dividends no market can match. Be curious, helpful, and reliable. Opportunities flow through people, and the right people can accelerate your success faster than any stock ever could. Never underestimate the compounding power of connection. Asset 18. Personal brand. In today's world, your reputation is currency. Your personal brand, what people associate with your name, can open doors, attract clients, and build trust at scale. Whether you're posting financial insights, business tips, or personal stories, your brand can become its own asset. Over time, credibility becomes income through speaking, coaching, sponsorships, or partnerships. Think of your personal brand as a magnet. The stronger it becomes, the more opportunities it pulls in. Asset 19, mindset. And finally, the most important asset of all, your mindset. Because if you believe you're too late, you've already lost. But if you believe you can still build, learn, and grow, you've already won. Wealth doesn't start in your bank account. It starts between your ears. When you switch from "I missed my chance" to "I'm just getting started," everything changes. You start seeing possibilities instead of problems. Mindset is the master key. Upgrade it, and every other asset begins to work harder for you. So there you have it, 19 assets that can rewrite your financial story no matter your age. You don't need to master all 19. Start with 2 or 3 that fit your life, your energy, and your goals, and build from there. Wealth isn't about luck or timing, it's about direction, consistency, and belief. And remember, your best financial years might not be behind you. They might be starting right now. So stop saying "I'm too late," because the truth is, you're right on time. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more real, practical wealth building insights.